up, everyone? I'm Peter McKinnon, and I'm here to shill for Canon. Oh man, I'm gonna make so many friends on this video. I can't wait. Oh yeah, man, my comments are gonna be super awesome today, man. It's gonna be an awesome day. So did you guys happen to see the brand new commercial for Canon EOS R? I did. I finally caught up. So yeah, I don't know how those Canadians do it, but here in the States, we get real. This is a Mossberg 500 Persuader, one of the best home defense weapons on the market. Chamber's clear, so don't no one freak out. I hate when you all think that we don't know how to use our weapons. But I'll just say this, that Peter McKinnon review of the Canon EOS R was just about as fake as that gun. Hey, but honestly, I don't blame Canon whatsoever for enlisting the help of a nice big YouTuber like Peter. Hey, and I think Peter's a pretty nice guy. I just can't believe that he went off the deep end and decided to shill for such a crappy camera. But then again, business decisions. Yeah, I don't know what it is with those Canadians, man. They're just so nice and likable, and everyone wants to try and believe them. Hey, but there were some excellent redeeming qualities about the video, and that was the comments section. There were gems in there, like, watching this video, I kind of felt like there was a Canon executive off camera pointing a gun at Peter. I just want to say, I don't work for Canon. One of the other great ones was, what's up everyone, Peter McKinnon here, Canon's newest employee. Another guy says, it's a nice camera, I just can't justify the purchase knowing that Sony blows this out of the water at a similar lower price point. I'm a Canon shooter too, lol. And you begin to wonder why people can't trust folks on the internet. Look, I'm sure that Peter meant well. I'm sure that he was, really trying his best to muster up as much positivity as he possibly could about the camera. And he has a substantial amount of not only Canon cameras and Canon lenses, so he is a Canon shooter. But I have said in my previous videos that the only people that are going to be interested in this camera are Canon shooters. Anyone else that is not inside that Canon bubble, they're not interested in this camera at all. So for Canon to enlist the help of big YouTubers, yeah, it was a smart move, but people can see right through that shit. Peter, you're better than this. I don't know how much they paid you, but you're better than this. So for all you Peter McKinnon fans, I realize that this is probably a disillusioning moment for you all. I don't doubt it 1 second. But just to be fair, I have called out even smaller YouTubers for this exact same thing. It is not just exclusive to those bigger YouTubers. And every last one of you know. You really know. It was a shill video. It was 100% shill-tastic. I mean, here's the thing, guys. It's not like mirrorless hasn't been around for the last 4 or 5 years. While Peter is listing off all the benefits of being a smaller and lighter package and all that other stuff, I question whether or not he realizes that mirrorless has been around for 5 years. Oh, and I know that he has. I know that he does. At any time, he could have picked up any mirrorless camera that clearly outdoes this camera any day of the week. And Peter was all excited like, oh, this thing records 8-bit C-Log internally. Yeah, well, there are other cameras that have done way more than that for much, much longer. He could have picked up a smaller, lighter package with many log profiles built right into the camera with not 8-bit, but 10-bit, 422, 420. Any of these options were available for a very, very long time. So for Peter to act like he's super duper excited about this Canon camera is just a complete and total farce. And the crux of the entire video is when he said, look, I really love 120p slow-mo video. I really like it for my storytelling. Now, I realize that this thing doesn't have that, and it has a whole bunch of limitations and has a massive crop factor, but what it really did is it challenged me as a photographer and video maker. Really, Peter? Come on, man! I've talked about this before, like, it is so obvious, and trying to pretend like something is awesome when it isn't, it's exhausting. Stop it, and everyone can see right through it. But then at the same time, you've got all these sycophant Canon users in the comments also going, oh, you Sony fanboys are super salty, blah, blah, blah. I don't think they're salty at all. They know for a fact that their cameras beat this one easily by 2 generations. Here are the facts, people. A seasoned videographer or photographer can literally pick up any camera out there and turn it into something interesting, beautiful, stunning visually, one way or the other. It really doesn't matter. Peter being a seasoned videographer, it's not surprising to me that he can create something that looks really great with this camera or any other camera for that matter. The problem that I have with this video in particular is the shilling of the camera as if other stuff out there has not already been done, has not already been done better, that not only has better specs and better feature sets, better capabilities. It was a 100% paid placement and endorsement, and I think that he probably should have disclosed that in the video. So while I congratulate you, Pete, on your 2.5 million subscribers, will I sit here with my measly little 37,000 subscribers? Every single day, my friend, every single day, this channel is real. Is real. Is real. And just as a quick reminder of that fact, let's go have some fun. Alright guys, that's all I've got for you all today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you enjoyed the hell out of it. And also, don't forget to drop me a comment and let me know what you think about chilling for the camera companies. Thanks so much for watching the Morning Jolt here on the Photo Video Show. I'm your host, Mark Puckett, and I'm going to see you guys again on... What's up? The next one. Peace out.